Hello viewers, today we are talk about Albert Erdely. 1891 to 1955 was a permanent Hungarian painter and one of the founders of modern art, a culturally diverse region of Central Europe. His work is celebrated for its vibrant use of color, innovative style, and exploration of both traditional and modern themes. Adderall's legacy lies in his role as a pioneer in bringing European modernist influence of the region and his dedication to artistic education. Albert Adderley was born on 25th May 1891 in Ukraine. He grew up in a multi ethnic environment that influenced his cultural sensibilities and artistic vision. Recognizing his talent early pursued formal education in the arts. He studied at the Budapest Academy of Fine Arts from 1911 to 1915, where he was exposed to of style from academic realism to burgeoning event grade movements. During this formative period, Italy was influenced by Impressionism, Fauvism, and Expressionism. He traveled extensively across Europe, absorbing artistic trends in Paris, Munich, and Vienna. This experience broadened his perspective and shaped his unique style, which combined bold colors, dynamic composition, and a deep sense of emotional resonance. Adderley returned to his homeland after completing his studies and began creating works that reflected the cultural and natural richness of Transcarpathia. His early painting often depicted pastoral scenes, portraits, and still lifes, characterized by a harmonious balance between traditional motifs and modernist techniques. In the 1920s and 1930s, Adriel's work reached new heights as he began to experiment with abstraction and symbolism. He co founded the School of Art alongside fellow artist Joseph Boxey, aiming to foster a local art movement that blended European modernism with regional themes. This initiative was pivotal in introducing modern art to a region still rooted in classical tradition. Idyllis painting often explored their interplay light and color with a particular emphasis on emotional expression. His beyond his contribution as an artist, Ederle was a dedicated educator. He became a professor at the art school where he mentored a generation of young artists. His teaching philosophy emphasizes creativity, freedom of expression, and an appreciation for both local and international art tradition. Italy's role as an educator helped establish as a cultural hub in Eastern Europe. He advocated for the integration of modernist ideas into a curriculum, challenging students to innovative and think creatively. The patriarchal turmoil of the mid 20th century deeply affected